Climb inside the 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Top features include cruise control, automatic dimming door mirrors, front fog lights, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Multiple drivers will appreciate the memory system, keeping track of unique seating, steering wheel and audio settings and positions, as well as other features. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.